Hi, my name is Nandita. I'm an HR professional. I live and work in Gurgaon.
Hi, my name is Ramkrishn. I live and work in Gurgaon.
So we work together in the same company, and that's how we met.
And we met through a common friend.
We became very good friends in a very short span of time. So while we decided that we wanted to get married, we also decided that we would get a new flat. We wanted the entire house to be easy but still to be modern.
It was, I would say, it was a situation wherein we have already finalized one guy. But I was talking to one of my friend, who recommended me to the Heavens. They came in, they really explained me how it should look like, how kitchen should look like to me. And the way they really explained the other aspects of the house as well, and design and the basic nitty-gritty of the house. We've shifted to the previous guy to whom we've already finalized, and we chose the Heavens and the team to do our interior work. I love spending time not only in this hall, but also spending time in kitchen.
Around the kitchen, I was very clear that I wanted a spacious one. I'm cooking. He would stand over there. He would see what I'm doing. I love to cook for him.
Apart from that, having open kitchen gives us the ample space so that my wife, me, we both can work. It's good to have a chit chat over there. So I love spending time there.
So that's how we spend our time in the kitchen.
I love spending time in my bedroom, which I love the most because of the work which has been done regarding about the quilting of the bed and the TV unit of it, and the kind of wardrobe and the lighting has been done. Working from home, it's the new normal now.
So we have a corner in our room that is basically a coffee table.
But eventually that really became our workstation. Open your laptop and start working on that. That particular space is like we love sitting there for longer hours now. Before finalizing the Heavens, we also went for a lot of other interior designers and their quotations, their view. But we really wanted someone to really add emotions to it, because for me, this home is a dream for me. I really wanted somebody to add emotions to it. We love spending time in this house, as a couple. That's what I'm saying. So we enter this house, but the moment it's like you want to come back to your home. This is what we eager to. Even if we go out, we love to come back to our home. But I must say that they were flexible enough as well. Wherever we thought that something which is not going as per the design, they were ready to accommodate our inputs, our views. They came up with pre-planned setup. They gave us each and every where will be the switch boxes will be there. What are the designs they are coming up with? What their thoughts in their mind when they are developing it. They are best what they are doing it. So they have really met our expectations. At the same time, they have delivered what they really promised to us.
I would recommend them to everyone who comes to me, everyone who's looking to not to create a house but to create a home. My full recommendation to the Heavens, just go for them, and they would actually make your place worth living, worth spending time, and worth loving.